Hey guys, so welcome to Delve Stack. Today I'll show you how to move search bar to top on iPhone. So to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. And now once you are here guys, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down to the bottom until you see over here apps. And now once you are on the apps, you would just simply go ahead and go for the Safari application, or you could utilize the search bar at the top to find Safari. Tap on Safari, and from here, guys, you should be able to see for tabs. So just simply scroll down, and here on the tabs, as you can see, you should be able to see tab bar to single tab. And pretty much when you go to your Safari, guys, you should be able to have the search bar at the top, as you can see from here, and not at the bottom anymore. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.